Okay, so what is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Animal Rivals. I just heard of this game, so I just decided to record a video of it. But yeah, if you wanna play Animal Rivals with me, join the code BRY123. So yeah, this is my friend Rash.
Oh, they joined. BRY 123. Yeah. This is my friend Bryson.
Join.
Me and him been friends for 5 years.
Winky, join.
Alright, come on, Ashton, 1v1.
Join. Join the day. Join, bro.
Ashton.
Yeah, he said he's in a different
1v1 me.
He said
Okay.
he's in a public lobby.
Alright,
We could do 2v2. It's you guys and me and him. Yeah, what about
Well, I already played this game. I just forgot to record. I'm level 18, so make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh dang, this is pretty good.
And if you need the name,
Yeah, this is. Do you want to play a match?
it's the
I mean,
name.
no. You can't play a match right now.
Alright, 2v2.
Do y'all want to play a match now? Do y'all want to play a match?
Me and Ashton on blue.
This is my friend.
He wants to be on my team. Okay, I guess.
I'm recording the video too. I'm recording.
Can we do melee only? Can we do melee only, please?
Apex Major friend.
Yeah, friends.
Yo,
Friends. Friends.
it's friends, bro.
Match
Yeah.
starting.
Alright, Bryson, cover me, because I'm going to use the restroom.
Round
I need
starting.
to go pee.
Where's that guy doing? There's one guy that I'm leaving. I think he's just changing his flag. Okay, he's one tap. How did he leave, bro?
Round starting.
I know he did.
Bro, you did 8 damage.
Guys, leave the code. We need to they can't hear me.
Round starting.
I don't know. Oh no, I forgot them. I muted my mic.
You already killed him? Alright, when you shot it, I killed him.
Yo, Ashton said leave the code because he disconnected. Just go into Brian 1234.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, Winky.
Don't.
I can't join it.
No, just join BRY123 again.
Oh, what did it say? What did it say? What did it say? What did it say?
Try 1, 2, 3.
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
You and I am.
But
I'm a
which
10
code?
win.
Which code?
Alright. Oh, that spray?
Oh,
He had disconnected.
bro, what?
What's my win
Okay,
streak?
why did you
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You're in call. You're in call.
Oh, you're right. You're in call. Okay.
Why do I need to stay in call?
Okay, then stay up then. Basically I went to go to the restroom and my thing disconnected.
You didn't tell us that you were going to that restroom.
Sorry.
Bro, I have a broken foot and I'm still playing this. Is that crazy?
That's crazy.
Bro, you
you wanna
I'm
play
gonna
now?
get this
Y'all wanna
car
go
on
play?
my
Let's go
on my
play, guys.
shotgun.
Let's go play.
Yeah, hold up, guys. Do you
Oh
wanna
yeah.
know what
No,
my
I want
highest
this. I
car
want
on
this.
level
I want
gun
this
is?
turret for my shotgun.
My highest level gun is the Deagle.
But
It
I
has
want this
37.
first. But I want,
It's a level
bro, you.
37.
Rampage,
Yeah.
rampage. But I want this first.
So the first thing I would want, either the white one or the red one.
So I'm gonna
Wait, I'm not gonna
use
lie.
so
I
much
might want the red
coins.
one because it has
So
Dragon Ball V
those
dragons.
two I can.
Wait, where?
Yo, that's crazy.
Let's go. Let's go.
This one is
Let's
a
go, let's
tiger. This one's
Yeah, let's go.
camouflage as a tiger. Okay, are we doing same team?
Y'all go, y'all go.
Brad, are we doing same team? Are we doing same team?
Yeah. No, we have to do 2 teams.
No, hold up, like the same team.
And no double teaming.
No,
Okay, here,
no
hold up,
double
hold up.
teaming.
I'll be
No
back.
double teaming at all.
Wait,
No.
no. You're done.
It don't matter if one player's left. Don't double team.
I'm a white reindeer like you. I'm a white reindeer like you.
I need a hat.
Bro, what are you doing here? I'm playing with my friends.
I am your friend.
Let's go. Let's go.
I just changed to white. Yo, is that racist?
I have this gun.
Bro,
This
I got black.
you
I got
seem
white.
like
this-
my other friend, bro.
and the sword.
You seem like you was like
I'm the same person.
like my
It's different.
friend.
Mine is different
East
besides
side.
here.
Go!
Mine's
Is
different.
that Bryson,
No,
get
Bryson,
on.
come on.
Bryson, get on. Bryson, get on. Bryson, get on. Bryson, get on. Bryson, get on. Bryson, you still gotta buy
Yeah.
one skin.
Did you buy a gun?
Just like
No, I bought a
28 over
skin.
there, bro. Oh. I was about to be like, oh, he bought that sniper, Jit, tripping.
I want a sniper. I'm trying. That's actually what I'm
have
gonna grind up
the
next.
AK sniper. Yo, people say this is the most pay-to-win loadout. Is it?
Give me a sec.
No, this is the most pay to win loadout. Well, sniper, yeah, but this is the most pay to win. This gun, oh, this gun's baby.
Shotgun
This,
is OP.
this shoots.
No, we
That's
got
a
we got
OP weapon.
sniper. We got sniper.
Bro,
Yeah,
what
this
is
is
that
pay
guy
to win.
doing?
Pay to win. A pay to win.
Bro, come on.
Bro,
you
what are
just
you
bought a gun.
doing?
Loadout. So
Come on.
we have the katana,
Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad.
shotgun, auto shotgun,
Let's shut them out.
and sniper. That's the thing.
But it's not letting me equip the skin.
3, 2, 1,
Hurry,
go.
just hurry. Okay. Yes, it will. It will. You just don't know how to equip
So
it.
hard that I can't move with it anymore.
And no double teaming.
Yo, then
God.
don't
No, I
pick
want
tiny
a
arena.
big arena, big
And don't-
arena, big arena.
Bro.
Match starting.
I know.
Round starting.
Holy teammate, you're lucky I killed him. With some
What?
success for you. I wanna
Round starting.
What? Trey,
Going down, down.
Trey, are these kids better than you?
I don't know.
Round starting.
Yo, what?
I couldn't
Trey,
move.
behind you,
I'm
behind you.
stuck.
Trey, behind you.
I'm stuck to the wall. No, no, teammate. She was one tap.
Bro, I hit him 2 times, 24.
Round starting.
Oh my god, this gun's pretty OG.
What?
Bro, can you stop?
In my card.
Trey, over here.
Bro, you can.
Now that was you that died.
Yo, these kids are good.
So once this round's over, I'm going to.
Round starting.
Bro, how? Yo, why are you guys double teaming now? We didn't even double team at the start.
What are you talking about?
Yo, hold up.
Alright, you.
Round starting.
Bro,
Do you want it?
double team. Why are you double teaming like me?
What are you talking about? I'm not double teaming. I'm not double teaming.
Yes, you are.
I shot him in the head with this. I shot him in the head with this.
Alright, we both get one kid.
No, double team.
I called the Naruto kid.
Okay.
Yo, this dude has aimbot.
I know, that's what I'm doing. I
gotta go to sleep now.
How do you know?
Hold up,
Please,
bro.
aimbot.
How do you go? How do you
Need to win.
Hold up, didn't you just go?
Trey, 1v1 me.
Big one.
Now I gotta go to sleep.
No, you don't.
Yes, I did. And I'm,
Bro,
I'm
rematch,
cheating.
rematch. Bro, teammate, rematch.
Yo, he left.
This guy doing?
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bro, you're not the